What if I told you that just 6 inches of rushing water could knock you off your feet and a foot of water could sweep away your car? Flash floods like the one that devastated Texas this July and claimed over 90 lives strike with terrifying speed and power. However, survival experts say there are proven science-backed techniques that can significantly enhance your chances of staying alive when disaster strikes. The hidden danger. Flash floods are among the deadliest natural disasters because they form quickly, often with little warning. In Texas, entire neighborhoods were submerged in minutes, leaving families scrambling for safety. Stephen P. Wood, a disaster and survival medicine expert, warns that the safest way to survive is to avoid floodwaters altogether. If there's a flash flood warning, get to higher ground immediately, Wood advises. But what if you're already caught in the current? That's when knowing the right survival techniques can make the difference between life and death. If you find yourself swept downstream, Wood says the first rule is simple. Float on your back. Keep your feet pointed downstream so they absorb impacts from debris, not your head. This starfish position keeps your face above the water while conserving energy. Joshua Merson, Director of Extreme Medical Sciences at Northeastern, recommends using gentle backstroke movements to steer yourself toward calmer areas. Once you find a safe exit point, swim aggressively and as fast as possible. Floodwaters are filled with deadly debris, tree limbs. Devin Smith, a survivor of the Texas flash flood, was swept 15 miles down the Guadalupe River and repeatedly dragged underwater by floating wreckage. Wood warns that after drowning, blunt trauma from debris is the second biggest killer. If you are trapped under something, protect your head and ride the current until you're free. Many flood-related deaths happen in vehicles. Just 12 inches of water can float a car and 24 inches can wash it away. Never attempt to drive through flood waters, says Merson. If your car becomes trapped, unbuckle your seatbelt, open or break the window and climb to the roof. Always keep a seatbelt cutter and window breaker in your car. If water fills the vehicle, use the metal prongs of your headrest to smash the glass. Experts stress that planning is critical. Know your area's flood risks and have 2 or 3 escape routes to higher ground. The earlier you act, the better your chances of survival, Wood says. Flash floods are fast, powerful, and unforgiving, but preparation and knowledge can save lives. Would you know what to do if a flash flood hit your area? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to Factssay for more science-backed survival tips.